Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Kim and today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks in Adobe Illustrator. Now Adobe Illustrator is not my go-to software. It's one of the softwares that I work with to do certain projects for clients that I have that have their own files. So working in Adobe Illustrator is a must for me, not my software of choice, but it works and I know how to make my way around it. So today I'm going to show you how to easily change colors in a design if your client tells you, you know what, I'm not too sure about this color, I'm not too sure about that color, but everything is already in place. So fairly easy. Let's get into it. First off, make sure your swatches are always cleaned out. If you do not know how to do this, I will show you very quickly. So if you add like colors here, I'm just gonna put this blue and I'm gonna put this green and another color, maybe just really quick. I'll put this fuchsia. So let's say I have all these colors here. If I want to add those colors to my swatches, right? I'm going to go in the top right corner of my drop down and I'm going to add used colors. So as you can see up here, it's going to add all the colors that are in my artboard. Don't mind this group here. It was already there because this is an asset I took online. But if you do add, it's going to add all of the colors that you have. So let's do Control Z. Okay. So now let's say I have these three added to my swatches. I'm going to do them manually because I don't want to add all of the colors again. So let's say I delete these and they're no longer colors that I'm going to use. Same process, right corner, select all unused. You see how it selected my three colors that I don't use, and you delete them. And it's going to delete the colors that you're no longer using. This is a nice way to keep your swatches clean. Also, it's going to help the other people that might have to work in these files in the future. So let's keep going. The whole point of this video is to show you how to quickly change colors. So let's say that I want this red to be closer to the darker red in the flowers. So I'm going to take my direct selection tools only if your designs are grouped, which I hope it's a lot easier if your designs are grouped. I'm going to take my direct selection tool, or A, go click on the color I want to change. I will go in select, same, and then I'm going to click on fill color. So now as you can see, it selected everything that has that same type of red. I want to change it because I want to use the darker red. So then I'm going to go up here in my swatches and I'm going to check the darker red. And there you have it. Now all of those reds are changed to a different color. And it's important to note that when you're doing this, you can always go back with the Control Z. It's going to change it back. You can always change it back to the other color. But this is a very simple way of making sure that you can change your designs without having to redo everything from scratch. There's always going to be a place for this type of situation. This is my way of doing it, and it's an easy way of doing it. It does not mean that this is the way and there are no other ways of doing it. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe to make sure that I know that this was useful for you. And then it's going to also help me create more videos that's going to accommodate you guys and help you out. So thanks for listening, watching, and I hope to see you around. Later.